Hello everyone, it's me again reporting for my chapter 8. Chapter 8 is Social Insecurity by Ken Phillip. This chapter talks about a guy. He was laid off from his work and he was kind of frustrated, so he didn't have employment. So he decides to pay back to the company. So what he does, he shuffles through his old um, directory, which he has somehow zipped all his emails contacts to another file on his personal laptop. So he had some old diagrams, network diagrams, some contacts and stuff, but after going through that he figured out that it's not useful for him because it's old. But some things like the network diagrams may be useful for the network names and stuff. So he starts off, first thing he uses is Google search, and with Google search he types the @domainname.com for the email, and he comes up with pretty good stuff, but not what he's looking up for. But there's some information on the on the users and some stuff. So I believe if you use your corporate email anywhere, it will show up on Google somehow. So be careful if you're using a corporate email. Um, Please be careful with what you're doing online, because there can be people who are after that. So he does the NSI lookup, and he's looking for who owns this domain and gets all the info for that, but not exactly what he's looking for. Then he uses Sam Spade from www.samspade.org, and he gets automated queries of who's owning the domain address and stuff like that. So he gets all the info, the company location and everything. And he also suggests that he was in proxy server, to be careful of not being tracked of what he's doing. And furthermore, he uses off-country proxy server, so it's really hard for the feds to track him down. And then he goes to switchboard.com internet phone directories and gets the phone directories, and then now his old stuff he figures that will be useful. He gets the first name and last name for a user, um, and figured that the company have changed their email system from first name dot last name at example.com. So he gets that, and he gets to his old files and gets some email from this guy called Fred. So he has his email for now, but no password yet. And so, but this is good stuff for him. So he said, he's gonna use it, and then he goes to the dumpster diving. Now over here, bingo, he finds things you're looking for, and then he will plan his first attack. So he goes to a career fair of this company hiring again. So he takes his fake resume and stuff, trying to be social engineering, and then this guy who was interviewing gives him his business card with the badge ID number and everything, which is so bad. Then he figures out when he's leaving that place and where he'll be going next. So he's getting the information. He's after this guy's laptop to get to the network, but he wasn't able to get that. But accidentally, the guy left a sticky notes, and on the sticky note was his username, password, and the corporate uh, ID. But he was not able to get access to this network. So what he does is tries to call the help desk, and at first they're helpful, but and he asked the password to be reset for some reason, but the company policy is that we'll send you um, a voicemail in your phone. But he doesn't have a phone directory, so he asks that no, he wants it right now, and say it's a company policy. So um, the company is doing their part. I mean, the employee is doing their part. So, and he's failing. So he switches to plan C, which is the last one. He makes a fake badge ID just like the one he had and walks directly into the company, gets to the security, says visiting, gets to this designated area, tells the receptionist that he's from the auditing department visiting, gets access to it, and there he does his shoulder surfing and like trying to look all professional and serious, and he finds the network administrator and briefs a conversation with him like where to eat and stuff. So he gets all those, and while the administrator is typing into the screen, he does the shoulder looking and gets his username, password. Ooh, this guy is quick. And then he goes to the next floor, calls in again the help desk and tells that he's having some issues, but still no problem. Um, he gets what he wanted, and then um, he's got access to the network. Boom, he's in, gets all the same dump of username, passwords, and he's gonna use Lovecraft. Got the phone contacts and some pictures and some firewall and server configuration. Boom, he's attacked the network.